Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. I'm back with day 3 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas, and man, have I got a cool prize for you today. But before I get to this, what do you call Frosty with a six-pack? The abdominal snowman. On the third day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Simorr desktop condenser microphone. Boy, that's a mouthful, but that's exactly what you're getting. It comes from our good friends over at Simorr Rig, and it's the white version of this. They make a black version and a white version. I did a review on this black version about a week or so ago, so I'm going to send you a brand new white version of this, and this is a fantastic microphone. If you're doing any kind of online gaming, or you're on a lot of Zoom calls, you can plug this into your computer and it immediately improves your audio quality. You're going to feel like you're in the room with the people you're talking to, and it couldn't be easier to use. It comes with a really nice cable. It's got a USB-C in this end, which plugs into the microphone. The other end has a USB-A and a USB-C plug on it, so you can plug it into virtually any computer that you own. It also has an inline headphone jack, so you can actually wear a pair of headphones and hear crystal clear clarity of the conversation going on with you and the other people on that call. So we're putting this in a box, we're going to send it to you. And again, I don't care where in the world you live. I say this every time. I made fun of Cucamonga yesterday because I really like saying Cucamonga. I think it's a great word. So today I'm going to pick on, I don't know, Lake Titicaca. You could live in a houseboat on Lake Titicaca, and if you don't know where that is, it's the highest lake in the world, I think, the highest navigable lake in the world. It's way up in the Andes, right on the border of Peru, and I'd love to be up there because it sounds like a beautiful place to fly a drone, but if you're in a houseboat on Lake Titicaca, we'll get this to you, and again, I don't care where you live. And as I say every time, there's no shenanigans with this contest. We're not going to ask for shipping. We're not going to try and send you email. I just want to send it to you because it's the time of the year when we get a chance to give back, again, to all the people that have supported the channel. And I love nothing more than imagining this arriving at somebody's mailbox, you coming out and open up the box, and you're smiling ear to ear because you've got this beautiful microphone. You can plug it into your computer. You're going to talk to your friends on it and brag about how you won a contest, and that's a good thing for everybody. So hopefully you enjoyed the joke, and I'm having a whole lot of fun putting these together. I can't believe I've only done 3. There's 9 more coming, plus that big mystery box at the end. So pay attention to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, I say this every time, you're going to be missing a lot. So hit that Drone Valley icon down there and join the Drone Valley family, and that way you'll get a notice on your phone. It'll go ding, and you'll know you got a new clip that's been posted. You can come back here and enter the contest because each of these contests you got to enter individually, and that way we've got a list of people that are really interested in the particular product. And that's pretty much it for today. So hopefully you're enjoying these clips. Please keep sending me those jokes because that one came from a viewer that sent it to me. We told a bunch of the jokes, and for some reason that one caught us by surprise and really tickled our funny bone. So keep those jokes coming, and I promise you I'll be using them in future clips. Anyway, that's it for today. So thanks again for watching, and until tomorrow, happy flying.